Now, I will tell you one small topic here, goods movements. Okay, this goods issue and goods receipt we did separately using Migo transaction code, correct?
Right.
Yeah.
Now, we have an option to do these two, goods issue and goods receipt, automatically
Yeah.
during production confirmation.
So in this way, we don't use a separate good issue and good receipt.
Correct. We don't require.
I
Okay.
see.
Using some basic settings,
Mhm.
you can do these two steps automatically in production confirmation itself. Because production confirmation means itself is a you're doing goods movements. Means you are producing. Okay. So you want to make these two okay
Together.
automatically in production confirmation, we need to do settings. Okay, I will show you that now.
Confirmation. We need setting. Yeah.
Yes,
We need setting.
automatic GI and GR
Yeah.
in production confirmation.
Automatic GA and GR.
Correct.
Now, is this functionality work with HANA and also work with ECC?
HANA and ECC both are, it will work.
I see.
Okay. So first is I will tell you automatic goods issue. Okay. This automatic goods issue is also called backflash.
It's called backflash.
Okay. It is nothing but it is also called as backflash.
I see.
Okay. So now this you can do this activate. You can activate this in the material master.
I see.
Okay.
Mhm.
So choose backflash. Sorry. Choose backflash indicator in material master MRP2 tab. Okay. So if you choose this in MRP2 tab, automatically when you are doing confirmation, this goods issue will come.
I see.
Okay.
So when we select an MRP2 backflash, then we'll do automatically backflash, right?
I will show you. I will show you that. Okay. Practically, I will show you where it is. For example, you are using the material Tyran 166.
Right.
Okay. You can put this indicator for these two materials.
But not in the
FG
header
you are
material.
doing goods receipt.
I see. Okay.
Okay. So I will show you where to put this one. Honda tire. It's locked by 46. We are in the 46. Okay. Honda tire. I am selecting MRP2. And here you can see backflash.
Okay.
Option is there. You just select this option. Okay. Always backflash and save it. Okay. Always backflash. You can save it.
Yeah.
This is the master data setting.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, okay. So I am creating CO01, our material Honda car. Enter the plant and press enter.
Okay. Just one second.
This is how to create manually production order. So in real time, if somebody wants urgent order, you need to manufacture, directly create a production order and do the manufacturing.
But we can create the plan order first, right?
Yeah, you can create planned order and convert. That also you can do. This is also directly you can do.
So when you create the direct, still you need the plan order, don't you?
No, not required.
I see.
Okay.
What
In
was
this
the transaction code CO?
01.
CO01 direct.
Yeah.
Production order. Okay.
Okay. Now, once you come here, first you need to enter the quantity, how much you want to produce. For example, I want to produce 10, and you need to enter the date. Okay.
Right.
Enter the end date. End date means when you are going to complete this one. For example, today is 16 or 17. I want to complete this by tomorrow. You can enter tomorrow date and press enter.
No start date.
Start date automatically will get
Automatically.
calculated.
Okay.
Yeah, based on the type. Okay, here type is there, based on that it will automatically calculates. Okay,
Right.
now you can release it directly. You can click on release button and save it. Okay, once again I am telling you what we enter. We enter the quantity, we enter the end date, and then press enter, then release it.
Release it. Okay.
Okay, now you can click on save button. This is the order we created, 180. Okay, 1180 is the production order.
Okay.
Now I will confirm this. I will show you the difference now. Go to CO11, enter 1180 and our operation 0010. Click on actual data. So 10 has come, and here now I am clicking goods movements. Now you can see Honda tire automatically came, quantity, and here you can select storage location. So existing stock is 1800. You can select it. Okay, if you see the right side, it will show you the movement type also, 261 automatically. Now I am clicking on save button. Now in the bottom you can see the message, confirmation saved, goods movements 1.
Great.
Okay, goods movements
Yeah.
1. Failed 0 means, for example, you selected the storage location where stock is not there. Okay, where stock is not there, so that time it will get failed. Okay, so that failed, you need to correct it later. It will show here failed 1. Okay, I will show you the stock is reduced or not. You can see MMBE. Earlier this tire stock is there. How much? 1800. Now it should come 1750. You can see. Okay, Jamal, correct?
Yes.
Okay, now this setting is for auto goods issue. Is it clear?